Now let's take a look at what GBPJPY is going to be giving us for the week. So we are going to be doing an in-depth analysis of what GBPJPY is going to be doing. We are going to do in-depth analysis. We are going to analyze it from the higher time frame down to the lower time. But first of all, if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, hit you and subscribe. Make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated in order for you not to miss out on it. And once you subscribe to this channel, the bell notification. Now, first, before we go ahead and go to our higher time frame, you can see what pattern it is, right? You can clearly see it. An head and shoulder pattern. You all know what an head and shoulder pattern is. It means a reversal move. So at first, market was rallying up, right? Then market got to this level high. Then it dropped. Markets then push up one more time to form the head, and this is the drop, right? Now markets eventually push up again to form the right shoulder, and then market was able to drop to take out the slow, right? Right. So this is a bearish move. Now markets then did go back, and now we'll be expecting market to continue to drop again. So this is to tell you that a bearish move, what we are going to be expecting on our GBP. So whatever you would want to be doing, would want to be anticipating for itself, bearish move is what we're expecting. But now let's go to our weekly time frame. You can see the full trend right here on our GBPJPY. We are in uptrend. GBPJPY is what's trending to the upside. It is very much trending. Now take a look at it right here, guys. This is the high, and here comes the higher low. Market then push up one more time to form into higher high, and here is our higher low, right? Market then push up one more time to form a new higher high, and this is higher low level. Market then push up one more time to form a new higher high, and then here comes an equal higher low right here. So market has given us that drop to higher low. So with this movement, we should be expecting market to continue to push up. See, probably take out, give us a new higher high, thereby taking this previous high. So above all, a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting for the week of our GBPJPY. Now let's go down to our forward time frame right here. So this is it right here. This is our major level, which is the support level. Now take a look at it right here. We are currently at the support level, right? So this is the correct support level. So market has been rejected from this level multiple times, rejected from this level multiple times, also give us a rejection at this level multiple times. So in one market is the market is likely coming to retest this level. So once market drops and tap a level of 210 or 209, within a level of 210 or 209, which is around the support level, then we would expect GBPJPY to bounce up and push up, thereby forming a high. So above all, a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting for the week on GBPJPY. Now, could there be changes to this prediction? Absolutely yes, there could be changes. But if in case there's going to be changes, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you to miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like and share. Also follow the Telegram. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.